Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then let's open the settings. Now we need to scroll down and localize additional settings. And here let's scroll down again to find accounts and sync. So as you can see right here, I've got my Google account added. So let's begin with removing it. Let me just tap on it, tap on more, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. If you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter to confirm the whole step, but that's normal, no worries. So this is how to quickly remove the Google account from this device. And if you'd like to add new one, just tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure again that you've got the internet connection. It is required. It needs to connect to the server. So here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. And as I said, be patient. It might take a while. So here we need to enter the password. So simply do it and then tap on next. Here you can decide who's going to use this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here you can decide whether you want to back up the device. I don't want to do it, so let me just tap on don't backup. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.